Hey everybody, hope you guys are all doing well. This video is for those of you that maybe were absent or just need a little refresher on what we're doing for this assignment and how to access the online research library. Okay? I'll do my best not to be boring, but I know it's a little dry. Okay? All right. So the first thing you guys want to do is make sure that you open up your school Gmail account. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to open mine up. Notice it's my school one, not my personal one. We got to make sure of that first. So that's the first thing you're going to do. Okay. All right. So I've got that open. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going back to what is our portal, which is basically the teachers. This is our version of eClass. So you guys have the same links on your eClass. You've got the media catalog and you've got the online research library. So you're going to click on online research library. It's located in the same general area as your grades. Okay? You're going to click on online research library. All right, you're going to see these little rainbow colors up here. That means you're in the right spot. And you make sure you go up here and log in. So you're going to click log in the upper right hand corner. Then go over to the blue login button and hit login again. So really you're hitting two different logins, right? If you don't do that step, you're not going to be able to access or see anything that you need to see. So if you'll look, you'll see welcome Tracy up in the top. That lets me know that, hey, I did it properly and I'm good to go. All right. Next step, we're going to go to database. Click database. The reason that we're going to go to databases is so that you've already got a spot that you know you're going to get credible information. It's going to save you a lot of extra time. If you just try and do a regular Google search for this, you're just spinning your wheels and taking a lot longer to do something that you could have done a lot easier and faster. I don't know about you guys, but I like easy. Next thing you're going to do, go to the search engine on this page. Type in SIRS. Hit enter. You got two there. See them? Don't pick the blue one. That's the middle school one. Go down to the green one. Just remember, green is the money, right? None of that one. Hit open. Okay. All right. You've got several different topics here. All right. I know that I saw one of your possible topics is coronavirus. Let's open that. So I clicked it. If you look here at this in the very beginning, this is the summary. Okay. You don't want to use this as your textual evidence. It's just a summary to figure out what it is that you are going to be, what your topic is about, right? Okay, then check it out. You've got here, was the global spread of coronavirus inevitable? That's your essential question. You can even listen to it.
Was the global spread of coronavirus inevitable?
See, that's where you put that essential question that goes in your graphic organizer that your teacher has assigned to you. Okay? All right. You have two different viewpoints. All right. Let's just click on this first one here. You have to choose one, and then you're going to start looking through the articles. So let's click on this article. All right, we've got a summary here. Okay. We want to go down here to pull out some of our textual evidence, which is going to end up being our CVs on our essays. All right. So let's look. We can actually take this entire article. Let's say you're like, yeah, this is cool. I want to use this one. This has got a lot of good information. Great. You're going to go up here in this green box where you can email, print it, cite it, save to cloud. We're going to save this to our cloud. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive. I'm going to save this article. And look, it says success. The document was successfully saved to Google Drive. All right, well, I just want to make sure. So I'm going to go over there and check it out and see if it's there. Refresh this page. Here we go. We got the entire article saved right in our Google Drive. Fantastic. That's helpful because that way we don't have to go back and look after the fact. All right. Next step. You're going to open up a new tab. You're going to type in mybib.com. mybib.com. You're going to create an account. You're going to create an account with your school Gmail. Super easy. You guys will be able to do it. No problem. Just create a new account. I've already got a folder here assigned to 9th grade argumentative essay. You guys might want to do the same thing. Just keep it organized. So now I've got this open. All right. And I'm going to go back to the article that I was on. And I'm going to say, okay, yeah, I'm going to use contextual evidence of this article. Okay, great. So that means I'm going to need to do a works cited page at the end of my essay. So I'm going to click Cite. All right. It's already in MLA format, which is what we need. Look, all you got to do is copy it. There it is. Super easy to get. All right, we're copying. Now we're going to go back to my bib. We're going to click Add Citation. You're going to be tempted to do this. Do not. We're not doing, this is not an actual website. We're copying and pasting it manually ourselves. So we're going to go to More. So think more. All right. Go down to the bottom right. Write and paste the citation. Paste it in there. And hit Save. All right. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Let's go back to the article. Go back and find another article and do the exact same thing. Cite. Copy it. Back again to my bib. Add the citation. Where do we go? We go to More. More. Bottom right. Write and paste citation. Paste it in there. Save. So we've got 2. I'm not sure how many sources they're going to require you to have, but probably going to be more than 2. But for time's sake, I'm just going to show you 2. You click beside them. Then you hit Download Works Cited. I'm going to choose to put it to my Google Drive because that's where I put everything. Celebration. Now let's go to my Google Drive. I'm going to refresh it. And here's my works cited page. Anyway, 2 of them. All right. So that should get you through. So now you know how to research, how to save the article to your Google Drive, and you know how to do a works cited page with mybib, mybib.com. And then remember when we start off here, we got here from our online research library, and we type in search. Here are some common mistakes. People don't log in up here. Or they go over to MyBib and they forget to hit More when they go to add the citation. So those are the most 2 common mistakes that folks are doing. So if you can avoid those 2, you should be fine. All right, guys. Hope you have a great day and good luck on your assignment.